Oh! Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
Scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no.
No! What are you doing? Beans! What are you doing?
Meow. Meow.
I ain't going down there.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god. What the fuck is you
You gonna tell on me?
Yeah.
Huh?
I mean, no, I ain't gonna tell on you, bro. As a matter of fact, I'm leaving.
Where you think you going?
Over little Michael house. What?
You gonna tell on me, ain't you?
A little buddy. Tiny pilot coming through. Helmet on and lift off. Look at you go. Coming back down. Easy.
Don't. Oh my goodness, what happened? Did he hurt you? Come here, sweetie. It's okay, I got you. Cooper, what did you do?
No, wait. Go, let go. Go. Teddy. No, wait. Go, let go.
All right, Bruce, I'm gonna put this thing on your head and I want you to tell the whole world who you really are, okay? I'm cutting that.
Jeez, that really hurt my throat.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Orange is not just a color. Your boss asks for the report, but you are on break. Identity crisis at the Mirror today. Personal space?
What are you doing?
Never heard of
Oh
her.
my goodness.
Professional athlete in 5 easy steps. You, human. Always watching. Dinner is served, human. Open up. Lagging cat in real life.
Hello. Little hat. Oh, she's little Abraham Lincoln.
Mission failed, we will get him next time. The moment you realize you are officially the third wheel in this relationship. Shocking discovery for the interior decorator. Let the poor guy eat peas. Touch the cat, face the consequences. Domestic feline versus CGI canine.
Irvin, you look adorable. No, Bubby. You look adorable.
You let your intrusive thoughts win, but immediately regret everything. When the dinner bell is just a whisper and you're already sprinting.
Yeah, you hungry?
Alstro's first Gujing solo.
Yo.
Fraction level expert 1010. You hear the treats open.
Camera.
He is not fat, he is just extremely easy to see.
2, 1. Who wins? Oh.
Toby, what happened? Are you okay?
Enlightenment of the orange lamp. No, that is my emotional support beer. The screen door is the only thing stopping a calculated heist. My dog has officially decided that this box is haunted.
Good? Yes!
Glitch in the K9 Matrix. Long live the king.
Oh.
Let go of him.
Majestic dinosaur forgets how to cat. Cat is glitching again. Spicy kitten surprise party. Served his dinner 3 seconds late and now I am being judged by the most disappointed Cloud I have ever seen.
Thị xin anh. Người năn 2, người năn 3. Bố nhà nó chứ.
I sit, but if the basket is this big, I guess I just panic. I think the new babysitter is slightly underqualified, but the ducklings clearly aren't complaining about the security. Tiny kitten is clearly not thrilled about its first diaper change or thorough cleaning session. Local neighborhood watch captain investigates suspicious ginger potato hiding in the tall grass. Findings remain inconclusive.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do boo ba do a do A do ba do ba do, a do ba do ba do do do. A do ba do ba do, a do ba do ba do ba do ba do. A do ba do ba do.
Snack that smiles back or the predator that forgot how to hunt. Either way, it is awkward.
Yeah, Mololo Mojaye. I live my life, me I stay for my lane. Mololo Mojaye. Make we feel alright. Let the music make we vibrate. Let your hustle no get downgrade.
Kitten is 90% fluff and 10% chaotic energy. Watching it prepare for a zoomie is like seeing a tiny cloud lose its mind.
Con này nó thở con chó. Cho con này. Cho con.
You were trying to be a fierce predator, but your favorite human's leg is just the perfect pillow for an afternoon nap.
Các chị ngại nuôi.
Rồi. Rồi. Chân tôi làm ghế trong gối đầu à? Rồi.
Cho bé ngoan vậy làm gì nữa à? Người ta đang chơi mà túm người ta về người ta cũng cho bé ấy. Đấy, ánh mắt này, mà này. Đấy. Kiếm cái sợi dây, cu là chơi nhiệt tình ngay. Mỗi đứa một giây. Đấy.
Floor is lava, but the kittens are absolute chaos. It is a four-legged wrestling match and nobody knows where the tail ends and trouble begins.
Nằm đây. Vào đây. Hỏi đây. Tôm nè. Xa nè. Ôi trời, xám nè. Đấy rồi.
You spot a snack but realize it is just a leaf.